Hello, welcome guys. In this video I am going to talk about a new job opportunity which is coming from Capgemini. Capgemini, given the name of this recruitment, is at Pool Campus Drive 2022. So the registration link for this Pool Campus is active now. You can go and you can apply for that. In this video we will discuss where you can apply, what is the eligibility criteria and who can apply. So before going to a start, I have one notification for you. If you want to schedule your interview, if you are going to prepare for your interview, suppose you are going to prepare for interview for Accenture, TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant, any other companies, and if you are worried about your interview, we are here to take your interview. We have our set of IT experts. They will take your interviews. What you need to do is that just you need to send us an email at foxtechacademy@gmail.com. in this email you need to send you want to schedule interview from us, and we will call you and we will schedule your interview, so that after interview we will give you feedback, so that based on that feedback you can overcome your problem, you can be prepared for your actual interview, you can work on your weaknesses. So if you want to schedule interview, just write us an email. So let's get started. So you can see that Capgemini is going to start hiring for Pool Campus Drive for BCA and BSc graduate 2022 batch. If you are BCA or BSc graduate student, you are eligible and you can apply for that, but there are some conditions, there are some eligibility criteria you need to follow. You should be 2022 pass out batch student. And if you all see eligibility criteria, they clearly mention candidate graduating in 2022 batch only. Qualification will be BCA or BSc, open from computer science, information technology, electronics, statistics, mathematics branch only. Should have minimum 55% and above in graduation till 4th semester or 2nd year. So if you have less than 55% in your academic, you are not eligible for that. Should be open to sign 2 years of service agreement. Yeah, if you will clear this interview and you will clear the registration Capgemini process, you need to sign bonds of 2 years. And these are basic information related to any recruitment drive if you are going to appear for. And if you ask for hiring process, what is the process for Capgemini hiring? So they have 4 round total. They have 4 round of level, 4 round of a stage, you can say. In first stage they will ask you some multiple choice questions. You need to follow that, you need to solve that MCQ questions. That will be English based. In second round, that will be game based aptitude. You need to clear that second round also. And third round will be behavioral competency test, and the final and last round will be your interview. For interview preparation, I have also created this post for you. If you will see that Capgemini interview question set 2 and Capgemini interview question set 1, you can come here, you can see all these questions and you can prepare for your interview. So what you need to do is that you need to just click here at apply now button, and it will redirect you on another page, that is capgemini.com. Here you can see all the details whatever I said, and after clicking on this registration button you can register for this drive. So just go and register. If you have any issue, you can comment us or you can write email to us. Thank you so much. We will meet in next video.